Hello and welcome to our video about the front-end web developer roadmap. If you're looking to become a front-end web developer, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we will take you through the essential skills and tools you need to learn to become a successful front-end web developer. First skill you need to learn as a front-end web developer is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language used to create web pages. You need to learn how to write HTML tags, create web page structure, and add content to the page. Without HTML, you wouldn't have a website. Like HTML defines the content and structure of your websites. Using a body for an analogy, HTML would be your skeleton, holding everything together and providing a base to hang everything off the rest of our body. A HTML file is made up of numerous HTML elements, and some of the HTML tags includes HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, and the heading tags ranging from H1 to H6. Paragraph tag, that is denoted as P, anchor tag, image tag, and various other tags. The second skill you need to learn is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and it is used to add style and design to web pages. You need to learn CSS, like you need to learn how to use CSS to change font styles, colors, layout, and create responsive web pages. If HTML is the skeleton to your body, then Cascading Style Sheets is the skin. CSS is used to change the look and feel of the websites. It is where you define your color schemes, fonts, spacing layouts, and more. 90% of the CSS is fairly straightforward. Like select the HTML element you want to style, specify what attribute you want to change, and the value you want to change to it. Rinse and repeat this pattern. You can get very far. CSS becomes more complicated when you want to complex layouts, animations, or CSS functions. The third skill you need to learn is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that allows you to add interactivity and functionality to the web pages. CSS and HTML will add the static content to the web page, whereas JavaScript will add the dynamic content to the web page. Like it will define what should happen when you click a button. Like suppose you want to perform some actions on clicking the particular button, then that functionality is written with the help of JavaScript. Let's suppose you are looking, or suppose you are watching a YouTube video, then on hitting the likes button, the count of the likes will be increased. This is done with the help of JavaScript. The code is written in JavaScript to increment the count after you hitting the like button. So JavaScript takes place of muscles, providing motions and behavior to our limbs. Like CSS, JavaScript tend to live in its own file to allow reusability and help improve maintainability. While getting started with HTML and CSS is immediately rewarding, and JavaScript requires a critical mass of knowledge before it can be used for more than copy and paste jobs. A starting point when learning JavaScript is to get solid understanding of core programming concepts such as variables, functions, conditional statements, and loops. This takes time and practice to get, so don't move over them too fast. They are very important and the building blocks for all functionalities. And here are some of the basic important concepts of JavaScript programming, like variables, data types, operators, conditional statements, loops, functions, events, DOM manipulation, objects and classes, asynchronous programming. These are just a few of the basic and important concepts of JavaScript programming. As you continue to learn and develop your skills in JavaScript, you will encounter many more concepts and techniques. The next step is to learn front-end frameworks. These are pre-built libraries of code that help you to build web pages faster and with less code. Popular front-end frameworks include React, Angular, and Vue. The next skill you need to learn is version control. Version control allows you to track changes to your code, collaborate with others, and revert to previous versions of your code. Popular version control tools include Git and GitHub. The final skill you need to learn is testing and debugging. You need to learn how to test your code, identify errors and fix them. Popular testing and debugging tools include Jest, Jasmine and Chrome developer tools. In conclusion, to become a successful front-end web developer, you need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript front-end frameworks, version control and testing and debugging. It may seem overwhelming at the first, but with practice and patience, you can master the skills and become a successful front-end web developer. We hope this video has helped you understand the essential skills and tools you need to learn to become a front-end web developer. Thanks for watching.